Hey, Corlin, what you eating? Are you eating? Oh, wow, do you smell like ranch dressing? So, let's tell the people what you've discovered. Can't see it, but that's a McDonald's ranch chicken wrap. And she's taking her french fries, and she's dipping them in the ranch dressing. I just was sitting here and realized that's what she was doing. She has learned to dip. Whoop. Knocks her off her feet. Good stuff, huh? So you like ranch dressing, Corlin? Apparently. Oh, it's good stuff, huh? Can you say, mmm? Okay, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.